What's up guys, how's it going? Mike the Tech here. So today we're going to start a new Unity project. I'm going to start teaching some C# in Unity, and I'd like us all to start on the same kind of spot. So I'm going to assume everyone's a beginner watching this and go over every step of the way what I'm doing so that you guys can follow along and understand why we're doing what we're doing. The only assumption I'm going to have coming into this is that you want to learn how to make games and that you have Unity Hub installed, which you can get from unity.com. Once you have Unity Hub installed, you're just going to open it up and you'll see that there's 3 tabs here. Projects, where you can see all of the projects you've made and create new projects. Learn, where there's a bunch of tutorials they can go through, which I highly recommend, as well as some practice projects that you can actually download and play with. And then installs. Installs is the version of Unity you have installed. And since I was working in an older version of Unity for a project that specifically needed this version, I have a really old 2017 version and need to add a new one, which is perfect because if we're going to start a new tutorial together, we should probably have the same version of Unity. So let's go ahead and click on Add. And we have a few options here. We have the official releases and pre-releases. We're not going to go with pre-releases because those aren't always stable. And we're not going to go with the newest official release. We're going to go with the LTS, the newest one that says LTS. That's long-term support, which means they've gotten most of the bugs out and they're willing to support it for the long term. These ones are not quite ready for long-term support yet, so we're not going to go with those. So I'm going to use, let's see, should I use 2019? No, let's stick with 2018.4 long-term support for now, just to make sure it's all working. I'm really considering it. You know what? I am the support, I guess, so we'll go ahead and go through this. I want to use Unity 2019.2. We will upgrade during the project if they get a long-term support version or if there's new versions of the code. We're going to be doing some pretty basic stuff, so I don't think it's going to touch any of the stuff we're working with. It might just be like new lighting and graphics, things like that. We should be fine with this. So we're going to choose, after some debate, 2019.2 17F1. So we'll hit next. And then we can choose what kind of build support we would like. We can do Android build support, iOS build support, Linux, Mac, Universal Windows Platform, which I will add, WebGL, which I'll add, and that's about all I need for this one. We also have some language packs you can download if you'd like those. But I'm just going to leave Android, Windows, and Web. And then we'll hit done. And then you'll have an installer start up, and once this is complete, we'll be able to go into our projects and start a new project together. So that's it for this video. This is going to take a while to install. Once it is installed, we'll go ahead and start another video and start a new project together and learn some code. All right, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Peace.